Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this electric air duster. So I really like this, that all you do to turn it on is just press and hold the button. You're going to charge it with USB-C and it has an indicator light. So you will have to find a power supply to plug this in, but it does come with the cable. Now to charge it, you're going to plug it in. There's going to be a red light while it's charging. That's going to turn green when it's fully charged. Let's take a closer look. It does have this nozzle I like that it stays in there pretty good. You don't have to use it with the nozzle, but there's also another nozzle that makes it a little bit smaller if you want a little bit bigger opening. Again, I just think it's really powerful, really easy to use, really easy to hold, but I like that as soon as you grab it, hold the button and then let up. So it stands right about 7 3/4 with the nozzles, about 8 1/2 as far as width, 3 inches down here, 2 inches there, handles about 5 1/2. Here's the manual on it. It says it has 17 minutes of runtime. It can take up to 2.5 hours to charge. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.